Storm breaks buildings, like built by other people. Players' buildings will be broken on storm borders late game and next update. Late game, okay, very cool, man. Gonna be interesting, like how the professionals, how the pros deal with that meta. How do you feel about the revolver being vaulted? I mean, dude, the revolver was pretty relevant to begin with, man. No one had it. No one had it mid to late game unless they were stuck with it, and you know what I mean? And they could just be using a better gun. Or I guess finding a better gun. So I'm not gonna lose too much sleep over it. Well, that guy wouldn't have died that way after the update. He wouldn't have even had that gun in his hand, dude. He was trying to magnum me.